This tutorial is for first grade, Module 6, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're going to continue the counting sequence up to the number 120. The purpose of passing over 100 and getting into numbers beyond 100 is so that the students can use the pattern that they established when counting to 100 to count numbers larger than 100. And they'll do this in a variety of different ways. So to begin with, they'll start by filling in this chart. We're given a number at the top of the chart, and we just need to count by ones going down the chart. So we would have 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. If I go to the end of the chart, you can see that we are in our teens in the hundreds. So we would start with 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. A couple of things to notice there. Like I said, we're going to look for that pattern of numbers when we count in our teens, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on, to help us read those numbers once we're into our hundreds, 111, 112, 113. Also notice that I am not using the word and. We would not read this number as 113, 114. That's a common mistake that people make, but we want the students to read the numbers correctly without using the word and. 115, 116, 117, and so on. Here's another example of an activity we would do to practice that counting sequence: 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now at this point, some students have trouble coming up with the next number. Again, we need to remind them that we're starting the entire counting sequence all over again. So you would start counting with 1, 2, 3 normally. So now we're just going to say 101, 102, 103, and so on. And in this section, we're going to identify the counting sequence that is incorrect and rewrite it correctly on the lines. So if I look at the first box, I have 107, 108, 109, 110, and then that jump is made to 120. That is a common error. They start counting by tens rather than by ones once they reach that 110 point. So to write it correctly, we would say 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, all the way up to 120. So it gives us practice with writing those numbers in the teens.